Welcome back to Color Vistas, everyone. Today we're venturing into the textured world of burlap and exploring whether you can sublimate on this rugged material. If you've ever wanted to add a personalized touch to rustic decor or create custom crafts with a country charm, you're in the right place. Before we get started, keep in mind you can visit my website, link in description below, or search for my brand Color Vistas online for more resources. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more similar videos. Let's dive into how you can achieve vibrant, lasting results by sublimating on burlap. Sublimation on burlap is not only possible, but can be incredibly rewarding. The key is to use faux burlap, which is typically polyester-coated, making it suitable for the sublimation process. This type of burlap ensures that your designs are not only vivid, but also durable. To get started, you'll need a few essential materials. Polyester-coated burlap items, such as portfolios or storage bags, are perfect for sublimation. A reliable sublimation printer and quality sublimation paper are crucial for creating and transferring your designs. A heat press that can reach 400 degrees is necessary to transfer your design onto the burlap effectively. Spray tack, or repositionable spray, helps keep your sublimation transfer in place during the pressing process. Heat tape and protective layers, like Teflon sheets or butcher paper, help prevent any ink transfer to your heat press and ensure a clean press every time. Now, let's walk through the process of sublimating a burlap portfolio. Begin by preparing your sublimation transfer. If you're using spray tack, apply it to the back of your transfer to secure it firmly to the burlap. This will prevent it from shifting when you press it. Set up your heat press with a layered approach for even heat distribution. A Teflon sheet at the bottom, followed by 2 or 3 layers of soft paper towels, works great. Place your burlap item in the press, taking care to keep any non-burlap elements like rawhide or zippers out of the press to avoid damage or discoloration. Press at 400 degrees for about 75 seconds with medium pressure. Once done, peel off the transfer carefully to reveal your vibrant design. This personalized burlap portfolio can now serve as a professional accessory, a personal organizer, or a unique gift. If you're looking to make custom burlap storage bags, prepare the bag by pre-pressing to remove any moisture and ensure a flat surface. Align your transfer on the bag, securing it with repositionable spray or heat tape. Press at 400 degrees for 60 seconds with medium pressure. Once cool, you'll have a stylish, custom storage solution that's perfect for home organization or as a thoughtful, handmade gift. Sublimation on burlap offers an excellent opportunity to merge functionality with artistic creativity. From rustic event decor to unique personal items, the possibilities are endless. Remember, the success of your projects depends on using the right materials and settings, so always opt for polyester-coated burlap and maintain your equipment for the best results. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this tutorial and are excited to try sublimating on burlap, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your experiences in the comments. Check out our other videos for more great crafting tips and tricks. Keep in mind you can visit my website, link in description below, or search for my brand Color Vistas online for more resources. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more similar videos. Happy crafting, and see you in the next video.